Big up on yourself, man.
Popeye, the whole Toronto, Canada.
Yeah, man, they are make you drive. You know what I
Agent Sasko.
Out the door hot.
Big sound.
And the bad night shadow sound is, you know. They are going to drive through the city. Make you drive, you know. Well said. Mad something, Popeye. Yeah, man, they are going to drive in the city, you know.
Canada. Mad
Why, you know?
Agent Sasko. Big sound. Mad.
Don't play with the thing. Pick up all of St. Mary. All of St. Catherine, big up. All of Canada and US. Big up the UK. Drop it again, Popeye. Yeah, man. Big up all of Europe, you know.
The whole Toronto, Canada.
Yeah, man, all of Canada. Big up.
Agent Sasko.
All of my brethren and sisters, them, you know. Mad something. Uncle Dickie will go a man like Leon. Man like Kevin. Man like Bye-Bye. Big up yourself. Man like Gawain. Big up the cousin Peter Gay. The sister Millie. Queen Debbie in the building. Big up my sister Benny. And the Bad night shadow sound. Yeah, man, play tune, Papa, because I don't know how you think set up.
Check 1 3 from my ear device, you know, say me as a lineage representing
Mad thing,
originally for the one and only Night Shadow Sound. Yeah, you hear me, the whole Toronto, Canada stay
We all
so.
the whole
Father
world,
Popeye,
man.
pick up yourself every
Super
time.
bass, pick up
Yeah,
yourself.
you hear me? Hey.
Sound like Aquarius. Public Enemy, pick up yourself. In a Texas, you know.
Night Shadow only surrender to the sound system.
Mother Road and Mother Road. No
No
sound can violate the sound, you know. Wall of St. Mary, St. Catherine, big up on yourself. Richmond, St. Mary, Highgate, Fort Maria, Islington, Malta. Yeah, man, Wall of Ocherats, Rockabessa, Montego Bay. Wall of Toronto, massive. Ottawa, Montreal. Yeah, Mr. Tell them now.
Night Shadow only surrender to the sound system.
Bad.
Vibration we are bringing.
Bad as a lineage. Wall of Eglinton, flat massive, big up on yourself. Yeah, man.
Only surrender to the sound
Big up Ready Diggy, big up Pam Pam.
Night Shadow just a rockin' them massive.
Mad top Motor Road, mad something. Wall of Black Creek massive, wall of Eglinton flat massive, big up on yourself. Jane and Woolner, Jane and Finch. Yeah, man. Markham massive, Scarborough massive, Brampton, Mississauga. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, hear me? Hey.
All of the airline staff, big up on yourself. Big up WestJet, big up Air Canada.
Night Shadow coming for you.
You hear me say?
Night Shadow only surrender to the sound.
Big up all of the staff that we are working at the airport, yard and foreign. Big up the pilot. Big up the air hostess them. All of the hardware workers, big up. And all of the staff them. We have packed the grocery shelf, big up on yourself.
Some boy, when go pack your dubs, them and thing. Night Shadow in a deep place and you know we vibing.
Yeah, man, big up all the transport driver them.
And we carry the vibes and yes, and we carry the wind.
All of the dump truck driver.
Taking it easy, winning this sound clash. Oh, so speedy. Not try figure me out, cause you will never be
Bad sound a road.
You will never defeat. Night Shadow only surrender to the sound system.
Mother Road.
Vibration we are bringing with now giving the no system. Nice up the place when I go play on the game. Only surrender to the sound system. Father Popeye.
I don't know about sound, listen. Uncle Dickie was going. Mother Road, man.
And I say freedom is a us, you know.
As a lineage.
Put your trust in the Almighty first, not cause.
You deserve your freedom.
I'm here say Freedom Street, all bandage get dash.
You deserve your freedom.
Big up as a lineage, you know what you there.
Have to teach them and reach them in a this year fire. Flash it. The wall of faith might just
What a road!
in the life you are fit.
Yeah, man, as a lineage, bad like a yaz, man. Me I tell you, say,
I mean,
pick her
say
up.
check 1 3 from your device, you know, say me as a lineage representing originally.
Yeah, man, big up as a lineage, because those are nice shadow
Night
sound.
shadow sound, them think a chit chat sound. I want to know. Yeah, me I said the man Popeye. You know, I'm a sick represent.
Mad thing.
Canada, Toronto. I see him fucking.
Anyway, bless up on yourself.